Namaste, Pani ji.
Namaste, Swaraji. How are
How are
you?
you? I am good.
Good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
doing well. How was your day today?
Um, it was good. I got to sleep long, so I'm rested.
Okay, okay, okay. Then sit straight. Keep your back neck straight. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Before starting our class, just relax yourself. Relax your body, your mind, your breath. Just try to bring awareness to your body, to your breath. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep inhale. Now chant the opening mantra. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vande Gurunam Charanaravinde. Sandarbh Sita Swatma Sukha Bhavote. Nishreya Shri Jangli Kayamane. संसार हालाहलमो अशांति आबाहु पुरुषाकारं शंखचक्रस्य धारणं सहस्राशीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम् अथ योगानुशासनम्. Gently join your palms together in front of your heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply it on your eyes, on your face, on your whole body, and gently bow down your head towards. Blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Okay, now sit into Dandasana. Okay, sit into Dandasana. Keep your back neck straight. Elevate your spine up. Keep your back neck straight. Now, move your toes first. Flex your toes. Exhale. Inhale. Extend your toes. 3. Exhale. Inhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now one ankle front and another ankle back. Flex your right ankle and extend your left ankle. 1, change. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake your both legs. Now both legs together. Inhale, point your toes front. Exhale, flex your ankle inside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now both legs together, rotate your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake your legs. Now bend your right leg at the knee and grab your right inner thigh. Inhale, lift your leg up. Exhale down. 2, inhale up. Exhale down. Keep your back straight. 3, inhale up. Exhale down. 4, inhale up. Exhale down. 5, inhale up and hold your leg for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your right feet out of your left knee and bend your left leg at the knee. Now place your right arm back. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, drop your left arm out of your right knee. Keep twisting, look back. Yeah, look towards your right shoulder and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, inhale, look front, open your left leg, and then open your right leg, straight your right leg and shake your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee and grab your left inner thigh. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg down. 3, inhale up. Exhale down. 4, inhale up. Exhale down. 5, inhale up. Hold your leg if you can. Your ankle, if you can reach up to your feet. Just hold the bun. Keep stretching towards your chest. 2, but keep your knee straight. Do not bend your knee. Just try to keep your knee straight. 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale. Drop your left feet out of your right knee and bend your right leg at the knee. Now place your left arm back. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale, place your right arm out of your left knee. Keep twisting. Look back towards your left shoulder and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front. Exhale, open your leg, shake your legs. Now cross your both legs into butterfly. Grab your legs, pull your ankle inside and shake your legs up and down. Open your chest, do not keep your chest closed or drop your shoulders down. Roll your shoulders and keep your chest open, and then you have to drop your shoulders down, but keep your chest lifted. Yeah, now inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, now place your right palm right side, left palm on your left knee. Press your left knee and go towards the right side. Slide with your right hand front and try to touch your chest, sorry, your head on your knee. Hold 1, 2, 3, very nice, 4 and 5. Inhale, again come back to the center. Exhale, change your side. Take your left arm towards the left side. Now press your right knee with your right hand. Take your head towards the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, again back to the center. Exhale, drop your hands on your knees and try to press your knees down. Lift your chest up. Keep yourself straight, or if you cannot press with your like palms, you can use your elbows to press. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, again up. Exhale, bend forward at 90 degree. Hold there for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, front 2 and 1. Now drop your finger cups on the floor. Try to stretch front as much as you can. Try to move forward with your fingers. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, drop your hands down. Cross your legs. Sit in any sitting postures. Sitting cross leg. Now inhale, raise your both arms up by the side. Now rotate your shoulders. Slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your shoulders down. We'll move the next exercise. Inhale, look front. Exhale, look towards the right side. Inhale again front. Exhale to the left. Inhale front. Exhale to the right. Inhale, look front. Exhale to the left. Inhale again front. Now exhale, lateral bend towards the right side. Inhale front, lateral bend towards the left side. Inhale again back to the center. Exhale. Inhale again back to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale again back to the center. Exhale to the right. Inhale back to the center. Exhale left. Now inhale, look up, come into the center by your neck. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now press your both palms and come for the tabletop position on your mat. Your knee should be under your hip, your palm should be under your shoulder. Your knee distance should be hip distance apart, open your knees, and your palm distance should be shoulder distance apart. Now inhale, look up, roll your shoulder, open your chest, tuck your tailbone out, make a good arch in your back. Exhale, look down, press with your palms and make a hump on your back, look down, tuck. You can lock your chin on your chest. Inhale, again look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, again look up and hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Hold there for 3 counts. 3, 2, and 1. Again, back to the center. Now stretch your both arms front for the puppy pose. Try to push your chest down. Look front, try to drop your chin down, chest. Keep breathing, do not hold your breath. Now again, come back to the tabletop. Now lift your right hand up by the side. Exhale, drop your right hand under your left hand. Raise your left arm up. Look towards your left palm and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your left hand back on the mat. Inhale, take your right arm up by the side. Exhale, drop your right hand down. Now inhale, take your left arm by the side. Exhale, drop your left hand under your right hand. Inhale, take your right arm up. Again, hold there 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your right palm back on the mat. Inhale, take your left arm by the side. And exhale, drop your left palm down. Now we'll start making a circle. Inhale, go to the right, front, exhale, come back from the left. Inhale from the right, exhale, come back from the left. 3, inhale, and exhale. 4, inhale, and exhale. Make a big circle, try to lean each side towards the right. When you lean towards the right, front as much as you can, and then left, elbow straight, exhale to the back. Now we'll go from the left and we'll come back from the right. Inhale, exhale. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, and exhale back to the center. Now turn your fingers inside, wrist outside. Now inhale, try to sit back with your hips. Exhale, come up. Inhale back. Exhale, come up. Inhale back. Exhale up. Once again, inhale, sit down and hold there for 5 counts. Do not lift your palms up. Try to keep your palms down. 1. Feel the stretch. 2 on your wrist. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back up. Now drop your this outside of your palm and drop it down. Now inhale again, try to sit down, sit back. Hold there. 1. Keep pushing it down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your palms down. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Push with your palms, elevate your spine. Bend your knees 1 by 1, shake your legs, try to touch your heel down. Now slowly walk front and stand into Samasthiti in your mat. On your mat. Now let's take 1 feet distance. After that, we can start the sun salutation A or Ashtanga. Ekam, inhale, raise your arms up over your head, come for Urdhva Sthasana. To exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale for the downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your knees, jump front between your both palms, lengthen your spine here. And Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, again come back.
Can't see you anymore.
Yeah. Okay. Ekam, inhale, again come for Urdhastasana. Do exhale, bend down for Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, keep lifting your tailbone high. Hold, hold, hold. Keep pressing your upper torus region towards your legs. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees. Jump front between your both palms. And Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, again come for Urdhastasana. To exhale, bend forward for Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale to downward facing dog. Keep lifting your tailbone high and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, Urdhastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shut, exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your knees and jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth round, Ekam, inhale. Doi, exhale. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll go for the sun salutation B. Take up, inhale, bend your knees, raise your arms up, come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, oh, sorry. Bring your right leg front. This is sun salutation B, I forgot. Yeah, hold. And Ashto, exhale, jump back. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, come inhale, come for the chair pose. To exhale, bend for the forward fold. Three inhale, look front, lengthen. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta right leg front for warrior A. Ashto exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Triyodasha inhale. Chaturdasha exhale. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees, jump front. Shodasa exhale. Saptadasa inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam inhale. Doi exhale. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front. Ashto exhale, jump back. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha exhale, jump back. Triyodasha inhale. Chaturdasha exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees, jump front. Shodasa exhale. Saptadasa inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round. Ekam inhale, again come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta right leg front for warrior A. Ashto exhale, jump back. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Ekadasha left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha inhale. Chaturdasha exhale. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, And 1. Panchadasa, bend your knees and jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose.
Oh.
Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round. Or we have done, I think so we have done the 5th round. I forgot. Okay, I think so we have done the 5 rounds. Just sit down to Dandasana. Yes. So we have done till Marichya Asana yesterday. So we'll continue from there today. Okay. So the next posture is boat pose, Naukasana. Next posture is Naukasana, in which you have to lift your legs up like this, and you have to keep your back straight and hold your leg. So if you cannot, like if it is difficult to lift your legs up, you can bend your knee and then you can try lifting your legs like this. Okay? Hold, but keep your back straight. Do not do like this. Okay, this is wrong. Just elevate it and hold. 1, first round. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale, drop your palms down. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale again down for the second round. Yeah, very nice. 1, bend your knees more. Bend your knees closer to your chest. 2, yes, like this. 3, balance on your hip. 4 and 5. Exhale, hip down, oh sorry, palm down, and again inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, drop a hip down for the third round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, palm down. Inhale again, lift yourself up. Exhale, down your hip, and again for the fourth round. Drop a hip back for the fourth round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Palm down. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, hips down for the last round, fifth round, and hold for 5 counts more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, palms down. Inhale, lift yourself up, and then exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. So the next posture is Bhuja Pidasana. It is a little bit difficult. What you have to do, so you have to jump from here and then you have to cross your leg in front of your face and you have to hold. So we'll break this posture because in one go, it's hard to perform for a beginner. So the step is first jump out of your both palms like this. Okay, out of your both palm with your both feet. Yes. Now take your hands one by one under your leg and take your shoulder properly. And then put your hip down slightly, not on the floor, just hip down slightly. Now cross your leg in front of your face, cross your leg, and then lift. Try to lift. This is the position. It's okay, you cannot like lift, you can cross and hold like this, your legs and hold. You can stay there. Hold for 5 counts. This is known as Bhuja Pidasana. It is difficult to do. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Bend your both knees. Again, jump out of your both palms. Now we'll do Kurmasana. Yeah, palm out of your both palm, out of your both palm, hip down, like we have done in Bhujapidasana, the previous pose before this Kurmasana. Yes, your palms will be inside, and now put your hip down and sit like this. Put your hip down and sit like this. Yes. I think so. This is so much height. This is more height than we require.
Too much?
No, no, less. We need less height. Yeah, this much is enough. Yeah, this much is less height. Now, one by one, place your hand under your legs. You can use one block to sit on a block. It's okay. It's good to sit on a block. A cushion or bolster, anything you have like this.
Yeah, I'm on a block.
Okay. Oh, yeah, on a block. Okay, very
Yeah,
nice. Nice.
yeah.
Okay.
That's the only way
I
I
cannot
look like
see
I'm
from
doing
here.
it.
Okay, so try to adjust your hand one by one under your legs and straight your hand side. Now try to stretch your both legs straight and go forward. It's okay, it's hard again. So as much as per your comfort, try to go down without pressurizing your body. Be comfort and try to slow straight your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. By now, without coming back, just cross your legs in front of your face like this. Keep, if your hands are here like this, just cross your leg in front of your face and rotate your shoulder back. If you can rotate, you can rotate it like this. If you cannot, do not rotate. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay. Do not
Around
rotate,
to
just
it.
cross.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold 1, hold there. 2, as per your core capacity, go down. 3, your body is saying to stop, then just do not pressurize this. 4 and 5. Now press your palm, take your leg back, again back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Go back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms and sit down. Now you have to make lotus pose. This asana is known as Garbha Pindasana. Okay, so after making a lotus pose, you have to take your hands from inside like this, one by one. Be careful. So look, you have to take your hands between your calf muscles and your thigh. So you have to try to take your hands between your calf muscles and your thigh. So
Mhm.
if it goes down, you need to be like free into like a lotus pose. You can easily sit into a lotus pose for a long time. After that practice, you can take your hands between your this legs like this. So from this both hands when you take, and then you have to put your hands on the forehead. Oh.
That's all I can do right now.
It's okay, it's okay. Till here also. Stay there, just stay there. Or you can sit it simple in lotus pose for 5 counts. So first we're gonna get comfortable in the lotus pose, and we'll move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next posture is Kutkutasana. In Kutkutasana, what have to do? What we have to do? Again, our hands will stay there, and then we'll lift ourselves into our palms. So that is also tough. So again, stay in this also only. 1, 2, just make yourself comfortable in sitting into lotus posture. 3, 4, and 5. Now open your legs. Press with your palm, lift yourself up. Again, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your knees, again jump front. And the next posture is Baddha Konasana. So Baddha Konasana is like a variation of the butterfly. In this, what you will do, You will not touch your lower feet towards each other. You will rotate your lower feet towards the ceiling like this. Okay. This lower feet should be rotated towards the ceiling. Press with your hands. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, place your elbows on your thighs and go down. Try to touch your chin on the floor or forehead on the floor. 1. Keep stretching front. Keep pulling yourself front with the spine. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Now exhale, try to touch your forehead on your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, place your palm and again jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Just take a deep inhale, deep exhale. Now bend your knees again, jump front and sit into Dandasana. Now open your legs wide for Upavishta Konasana. This is Upavishta Konasana. In Hatha Yoga, it is known as Bhu Namanasana. But in Ashtanga, this is Upavishta Konasana and little bit different from Hatha. Okay, so you'll open your leg up to the maximum. Okay, pull your ankles in, your both ankles inward, and grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Okay, now inhale, lift your spine up, chest up towards the ceiling. Exhale, try to move forward from your hip joints. Try to not move forward with your back. Just do not bend your back like this. Not like this. Okay, this is wrong. Lift your chest and try to stretch or pull your spine towards the front and try to go down as much as slowly, and then touch your chin on the floor. Hold there for 5 counts. Try first belly, then chest, and then chin. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, halfway look up, lengthen your spine here again. While coming back, you will lengthen your spine. Exhale, drop your hands on the floor in middle of your legs. Inhale, lift yourself up. First, try to lift your legs up. And then from there, jump back to Chaturanga.
I don't think I can do that.
Yeah, it's okay, you can skip. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your knees, jump front, sit in Dandasana. Exhale, lay down on your back. Bend your both knees, grab your both ankles. Inhale, lift your hip up for the bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Exhale, drop your hip down. Inhale, try to lift your hip up. Exhale, drop your hip down. Inhale, try to lift your hip up. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Now bend your thighs towards your chest, hug your legs, and roll yourself front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now roll side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now drop your feet down. Drop your both legs towards the left side, look right side. Inhale again, legs up, drop your both legs towards the right side, look left side. Change your side. Now relax into Shavasana for 1 minute. Straight your legs, relax, calm your body down, calm your breath down. Relax your heartbeat, relax your mind, relax your muscles, relax your eyeballs, keep your eyes closed, and feel the energy that is created by today's practice in your body. The heat, the warmness. Now try to cool your body down. Keep your tailbone in. Do not make any arch on your back. Give support on your whole spine. Feel the air inside, which is going inside through your nostril, and feel it coming out. Now turn yourself toward the right side. Press with your left palm and sit in any comfortable position on a mat. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant 1 time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your palms together, rub your both palms. Gently place on your eyes, on your face, on your whole body, and gently bow down your head towards God. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste. Okay. Oh, so how are you feeling now? Good.
Good. You give a really good class. I'm sorry I can't do as much as you need.
No, it's okay. No, you try your best, and I liked it because you do not skip any chaturanga, and you try to do chaturanga. You do not skip any jumping. You try your best, so you are doing good, right?
Yeah, I can
It
feel
doesn't.
I'm at my edge. It's
No,
good for me.
no. So you are young now. You are young. Yoga, in yoga, you cannot like see, and it doesn't matter what is your age, what is your size, or you're fat, you're thin, you're old, you're young. Yoga is for everyone. So until unless you are trying, it's very good.
Mhm. Well, I used to run a lot, so my hips and my knees are very tight.
Really tight. Okay, I can
It's
see.
always been hard. So
Yeah.
this is good for me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Working on your joints, of your legs, of your hip joints, you will become
Mhm.
flexible with the lower body also.
Mhm.
Right. Thank you so much, Bonnie.
Thank you.
Lee. Take care.
You
Have a
too.
good night. See you tomorrow.
Okay, you too. Thank you.